ये बाइक लेती है 4.2 seconds for the 0 to 60 run and 13 for the 0 to 100 mark. Now fourth gear from 40 to 80. The Triumph offering takes 7.55 seconds as compared to 8.2 for the Himalayan and 9.4 for the Yezdi.
Zero to 60 and 0 to 100 of each motorcycle. साथ ही में रोल ऑन फिगर्स तीसरे, चौथे, पांचवें और छठे गियर में कौन सी बाइक पंचियर है अक्रॉस द स्पीड्स, और साथ ही में तीनों बाइक्स का एग्जॉस्ट नोट. The exclusive video starts right now between the Scrambler 400X, the Himalayan 450 and the updated Yezdi Adventure.
शुरू करते हैं with the acceleration runs of the three bikes. But before that, here is the speedometer error as well. This was noted via our GPS-based performance unit that was attached to the tank for satellite readings. 80 की स्पीड पे genuine speed on the Himalayan is 77. For the Yezdi, it is 76. And for the Scrambler, 74. So yes, Triumph has the highest speedometer error here. Starting with the slowest bike of the lot, Yezdi Adventure. ये बाइक लेती है 4.2 seconds for the 0 to 60 run and 13 for the 0 to 100 mark. Frankly, हमारी मीडिया बाइक के अंदर थर्ड गियर में एक फ्लैट स्पॉट था, जिसकी वजह से 0 to 100 was expectedly slower. Next, Scrambler 400, quick for its engine size. 0 to 60 in 3.2 seconds and 0 to 100 in 8.15 seconds. Quick enough, especially with the rider of my weight. Finally, Himalayan. Big engine, big on power. 0 to 60 3.1 second में and 0 to 100 7.7 second में. Definitely the quickest motorcycle here. Next, here is how the three bikes sound like.
Exhaust note.
Let's start with the third gear roll on from 30 to 70 kmph. Scrambler is the quickest here, taking 3.8 seconds as compared to 4.3 for the Himalayan and 7 for the Yezdi. Again, हमारी मीडिया Yezdi का थर्ड गियर उसमें डेफिनेटली एक फ्लैट स्पॉट था. Now fourth gear from 40 to 80. Again, Scrambler takes 5.4 seconds as compared to 5.9 for the Himalayan and 6.4 for the Adventure. Fifth gear. Well, इसके अंदर 50 to 90 के roll on में the Triumph offering takes 7.55 seconds as compared to 8.2 for the Himalayan and 9.4 for the Yezdi. So all the roll-ons, third, fourth and fifth, Scrambler is the quicker option.
So there you go. Given the capacity and the tuning, ये बाइक बहुत ही अच्छी है for urban needs. It's like the peppier kid on the block, but इसकी जो tall gearing है makes it a very good bike for touring needs. But overall winner, well, उसके लिए आपको वेट करना पड़ेगा for a few days time. मैंने और शपांशु ने तीनों बाइक्स को जज किया है across all the parameters you want to know to give our verdict on the winner and why. For the winner, you know what to do. Do subscribe और जो bell icon है उसको जरूर प्रेस करना. Thank you.